Welcome to MyExcelWorld video tutorial number 5. MyExcelWorld Excel Add-in is a business optimization tool. Merge and combine cells. Merge and save cells data. Let's merge these selected cells. Merge and combine cells without losing data in the selection. Go to Cells, and click on Combine and select Merge and Save Cells Data. Combine columns side by side. Let's combine these 3 columns side by side. Combine columns side by side in the selection. Go to Cells, and click on Combine and select Combine columns side by side. See you next time for another tutorial.